Are we ready to celebrate? Let's just have some champagne. This is what I've been waiting for. This and another Penhaligons. And I'm dying to get into this. Now it's late in the evening. I've already had a couple of these with my daughter-in-law. So I'm a little bit tipsy. I'm having another one. The way it is. This is what I've been dying to open, and I'm not waiting until tomorrow. I'm opening it now. It's a 50 ml bottle. By the way, cheers. Going to put my glasses on. This is Ellenisia by Penhaligons. This is the 50 ml bottle. Yeah, I was watching Melissa's channel and I was watching one of her videos. Let me take my glasses off. I was watching one of her videos and she was doing a giveaway. Now, anyway, I didn't even know I had entered to win a giveaway. I don't know what I did, but obviously I answered a question or I made a comment or I posted a green heart or something, but I can't remember, but I entered, and suddenly I got a message one day a couple of weeks ago that I had won a giveaway, and it was a $50 gift card for FRAGRANCENET, which is where I purchase most of my fragrances. And so I contacted her. I sent my email, and she messaged me and sent me this $50 US, by the way, which is worth over $60, $64 for FRAGRANCENET. And I thought, oh gosh, what am I going to get, right? There's so many different things. And I was looking at possibly getting the Twilly, but I had my eye on a couple of Penhaligons because I'm still waiting for my Elizabethan Rose to arrive. And I was talking to Abby about, you know, I really want to have a couple of Penhaligons. I'm kind of on that, you know, on that Penhaligons train right now, and I have a few samples that she has sent me, and I am absolutely in love with that house. If you are not familiar with Penhaligons, I will link the site down below. Go check out their website. It's a niche house from London, has been around since I think the 1800s. So yeah, so I was looking on FRAGRANCENET.com, which, as I say, I get a lot of my fragrances from. Excuse me one sec. And I saw this fragrance, and it's called Ellenisia. So I messaged Abby, so she's the expert, and I said to her, what do you think if there's a couple on there, and I couldn't decide. I was going to go with what was it called, Bluebell, and that's actually one of Princess Diana's. When Princess Diana was around in her younger years, that was one of her favorite fragrances. So I said, I'm kind of tempted to buy that, you know, just because of the whole symbolic reason of that was one of her favorite fragrances, and I was a big fan of Princess Diana. And so she said, well, Frances, I'm not sure you'd like that one as much as this one. So I said, say no more, I'm going to order this. And it's a 50 ml bottle. So we're going to open it right now. And that's why we're celebrating with champagne, because this is, I was expecting it to be my Elizabethan Rose would be my first unboxing, but it has not arrived yet. So we're going to do the unboxing of this beautiful, beautiful bottle. So I'm so excited. Can we have a drum roll? Can we have a drum roll? Can we have another drink of champagne? You fragrance lovers out there, you know what it's like to receive a full bottle of something that you have been coveting for many, 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 many moons. And here it is. Drum roll, please. This is the 50 ml bottle. I'm expecting a... Can I just smell the bottle? Can I just smell the bottle here? Okay, so here we go. This is the box. This is the box. And here we are. Guys, can we have a moment for this? Yes, this is beautiful. I cannot wait to open this. We're going to discuss the notes of this fragrance. This bottle. This is the 50 ml bottle of Ellenisia. And this is by Penhaligons. It is a floral fragrance for women. This was launched in 2005. Top notes are violet leaf, mandarin orange. Middle notes are gardenia, tuberose, jasmine, rose. Base notes are plum and vanilla. Now, does that not sound delicious? And is this bottle not the cutest thing that you have ever seen in your life? Look at this ribbon. Look at the detail on this ribbon. So I'm so excited. I hope I love it. I hope I love it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Will we put it on paper first, or will we put it straight on our skin? We'll put it straight on our skin. Yes, yes, and yes. I can smell right off the top, this is a fabulous floral fragrance. I can smell the jasmine, a little bit green on the first spray, opening up into a beautiful garden of gardenia. I can smell the violet. And then it goes into this incredible plum and vanilla, I think. Let me just check. Plum and vanilla. This is a beautiful summer fragrance. There is nothing that you wouldn't like about this if you like a fresh garden full of flowers. If you like gardenias, I can really smell the gardenias in this. The violets are right off the top, you get the violets. So the violets spritz out really immediately, and I love violets. Love violets. That takes me right back to my childhood. It has a little bit of a hint of Parma violet to it. A little bit insolence in there. Yeah. But you can really get that spritz of gardenia. Abby, you did not do me wrong. This is stunning. And this is my first full-sized bottle. It's a 50 ml bottle. I love the size of it. It would be great for traveling. Very spring, very summer. I could close my eyes and it will take me into a meadow of an English meadow of spring flowers. And there's a hint of jasmine there. This is not a dated fragrance. I'm definitely picking up a vibe of insolence. Am I right? Am I wrong? I'm definitely just a little bit of a vibe of insolence in here. It's very sweet. It's very juicy. It's very floral. And then I can see the dry down being extremely powdery, extremely... This is a perfect fragrance. And this is Ellenisia by Penhaligons. Ellenisia, meet champagne. I can see me wearing this coming this spring when COVID is over. We start to socialize again. We start to go into parties, spring, summer garden parties where we drink champagne. We smell like this and we get back to real life again. Cheers!